Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I want to talk to you about how to shorten a down rod for a ceiling fan. When it comes to down rods for the fan, you have several different choices in color and length. The easiest thing to do, instead of trying to cut through one of these and pre-drill your holes so you can actually remount the fan, is to go buy one the exact length that you need. You can get it from a couple inches like this up to 72 inches. So it kind of depends on what length you need. The easiest thing to do is to buy another one without having to try to cut through this, because if you notice, they have the end threaded. Instead of having to take this into a hardware store or home improvement store and have it threaded after you cut it, it's better to buy a new one. And then here they have an oval shape hole with a line at the bottom. It depends on what ceiling fan you actually have that requires the different style of mounting. So there again, the easiest thing to do is to go buy a universal down rod for your exact length. When it comes to changing the down rod, it's a very simple process. You'll remove the down rod from the mounting bracket, and located on the side there's a screw. You'll go ahead and remove that screw, and then pull down. Remove the pin, and the down rod comes right off. Take the new down rod, put the ball on the new down rod, insert your pin, and put it into place according to the grooves for your ball. After you do that, you want to make sure that the hole on the down rod is lined up with the hole on the mounting ball. Push it up there, put your screw back into place. And then put the ball back on the mounting bracket. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to shorten a down rod for your ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Good luck with this project.